This is Australia's largest electric vehicle conversion workshop, and we're looking for multiple people to join our mechanical and assembly team. For a completely engineered system like this one for Classic Mini, it's about install of the electrical components, of course, the motor, the battery, cooling system, but then it's upgrading the rest of the car. So suspension, braking, tyres, and then working with our electrical and mechanical engineering team to tune the car and get the most performance out of it. With the older vehicles that come in here, almost nothing is left untouched. And that includes, for example, the front axle of this Land Rover, where we change the uni joints to CV joints, we install our disc braking system, and we change the ratio of the diff and rebuild that. Sharing this workshop with DS International means we have access to some incredible equipment, including just some little things that make everyday mechanical life a lot easier, like this parts washing station with two massive hot washers, one for the really dirty stuff and one for the stuff that's almost clean but could be a little bit cleaner. Whether it's prototyping a new EV system or repairing or modifying a Classic, we have multiple lathes, Bridgeport mill, CNC multi-axis mill, and a full fab shop to help do that. Unlocking the true performance of an electric motor can often require upgrades to the rest of the vehicle. So on this Defender, it's stronger trailing arms, upgraded axles, automatic lockers in the diff, air suspension. Of course, with the relatively silent electric motor, you can hear everything. And the precision and the road testing at which we have to do the final assembly is really key. Ultimately, it's about taking cars that come to us in a condition like this and transforming them into something that's not just electric, but is ultimately one of the best restorations in Australia, both mechanically and aesthetically.